Hi guys, welcome to a new video. I'm going to be sharing you how to create really cool graphics and reports that you can use to share that on LinkedIn without you actually thinking about what to say as well. And with the power of Gemini and Gemini 3, you can now do this with just one simple prompt. So you can create digital products, you can create reports, you can create PDFs, you can create carousels, infographics, anything that is to do with your niche and who you serve to help you get your products or service out there. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kanji Lo. I'm an AI marketing specialist. I have an agency called Synapse AI where we help businesses scale, get seen, and get results. So I'm going to share my screen real quickly and we'll dive into the examples. So I actually created this PDF through Gemini 3, and the crazy thing is that I know vibe coding's a really cool thing at the moment. It's quite trendy. You can use certain things, but this three-page guide was simply created through Gemini. So I'm going to share you how you can actually do this for yourself. Obviously, we all know that there's these features. Everyone's using Nano Banana Pro right now. But here's this really cool one. So obviously you can use videos and all of the like and deep research, but we're going to do this, all right? So I'm just going to grab this prompt and go create a report about social media trends in 2025. And what's the next big thing you believe is coming up on patterns that you recognize in the AI madness? And we're going to go to click this thing called Canvas, right? So we're going to create a report and we are going to make that a PDF report so that we can actually download it. So what it will do now, it will obviously generate the outline and you can even see the preview of the outline. So I always use thinking, and thinking actually doesn't take that long because it's using Gemini 3 firstly, but then secondly, it actually goes into more deeper reasoning on how you can actually get the output as well. So see, you can see there's all these things that's going through. So I don't even know what this is, like bifurcation, which is the slot versus the hearth. Okay, now it's creating the code. You can see how it's using HTML and all these different code indexes, right? And then it goes and talks about the authentic human interaction. Let's move to dark channels. So it's going to give us a report on pretty much what we're asking it for. So it gives you a preview too. So you can have a look at this. So then one thing I would do is I would get my brand colors and upgrade the branding, right? So obviously this looks quite generic. It's 4 pages. Okay, so you can go, okay, make this a 8-page report and make it aesthetically pleasing with orange, purple, and black, white and black. White and black as the colors. Make futuristic and suitable for AI. And then you can also prompt it to say, put in prepared by Synapse AI 2025. So maybe December 2025. So then now when you let it run again, so obviously it's given us some really good output here, but you can now change it. You can template it. You can even, once you get the prompt of your certain colors, you can use those colors again. You can even chuck in different pictures as well. So you can even get it to put in pictures as well. So I'm going to get that to do that here. So obviously this is one example, and we'll just let that load to give us the PDF. But you can now also do other things, which I will show you very shortly. All right, so it's been generated right now. So you can see that there are 9 slides. It's really cool. Okay, it's got the infinite slot crisis, the agentic shift. So it talks about zombie engagements, agentic commerce. Damn, this is sick, man. Right? And even gives us the image sources too. So I can grab this, I can export it to slides, I can download it, so I can download it as a PDF, use this for LinkedIn, use this for anything that I want to. I can send to my clients as well, can put it in newsletters. But it's a really cool way to generate content. Okay. So I'm going to create another one, right? And this time we will go through on how to create infographics. So we will change this to, okay, find me the 8 ways you can make money with Nano Banana and make these into a PDF slash infographic I can download for my audience. We are content creators and agencies looking to make additional income per month. So that's an example there. So you can go to Canvas again. So we'll get it to think and we'll let that one load. All right. So we've got this right here. As you can see, it's given us infographics on what we can do. So what we also can do is you can go share, right? You can share contents, you can copy the contents, you can download as a PDF, right? So what we will do is make this into an infographic format as well. So you can do it through here and then purple, orange, and white. Futuristic. Theme. Okay. So you know that way. All right, as you can see, this is what it looks like now. So it's got a monetization protocol, it's got the 8 ways, and pretty much it's created like a HTML feature here. So what you can do, you can share the contents, you can copy it. So if I share it, I can share people to the link. If I copy it, I can then also put this into, a platform that can actually, copy and paste it so that I can actually have a website like this. But it's pretty cool. I will do, I'll start a new chat. I'll do the same thing. So I'll grab the previous prompts. I'll grab the previous prompts. So I'll grab this one. Okay. And then I'll do that. And then I'll go back to here, new chat. And we'll do a uh, and go for graphic with orange, purple, black, and white as art styles. Okay, so I'll create it through Nano Banana now. So that way before was through Canvas. Canvas is really good if you want to upload a PDF or you create PDFs for your clients, for newsletters, for anything LinkedIn related or anything where you've got slideshows or slides. If you want to create an infographic, which is good for Facebook, Instagram, it will be good for like thumbnails and that kind of thing. You use Nano Banana Pro. So we'll let this one load. So here it is. So if you have a look at this, this is actually quite cool. So you got print on demand designs, you got product shot mockups, you got ad creators, niche, viral visuals. I like this. So you can see here, disclaimer, success depends on market demand. So he's even put a disclaimer as well. So if I go through here, can you go give me the text I can use for a Facebook post? And then it'll give you the text, and then you can use this as a text thread for your Facebook posts, which are doing really well at the moment. And then we'll let that one load. Okay, cool. Let's have a look. So I got the headline. Stop generating images, start building revenue streams. Okay, cool. One, two, three, four. All right. So they've given us three different options. Okay, revenue streams. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. But yeah, you can get the gist of it. Like it's pretty intuitive. That's how I would leverage this tool. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how you can create awesome infographics, graphics from Gemini 3, which you can use for your business. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and also follow for more, and I will see you in the next one.